Ever have those days where you want to eat healthy, but cooking just feels like too much? You're busy. You're tired. You've got work, family, stress, responsibilities piling up. And when it's finally time to eat, you're just standing there in the kitchen thinking, I know I should make something healthy, but I honestly don't have the energy right now. So what happens? You grab whatever's quickest. Maybe it's fast food. Maybe a salty snack. Maybe something you already know doesn't support your health or your goals. But what if I told you there's a middle ground? Food that's affordable, fast, shelf-stable, and yes, actually healthy. I'm talking about canned foods. Yep. Canned foods. And before you scroll away, stay with me. Because here's the truth. Not all canned foods are the same. Sure, some are full of preservatives, sugar, and way too much salt. But others? Others are nutrient powerhouses that can save you time, money, and stress, while helping you eat cleaner every single day. So today, we're talking about the healthiest canned foods you can buy, and exactly how to use them to make eating well simple and realistic. Let's start with something important. Most people don't struggle to eat healthy because they lack discipline. They struggle because healthy food often feels inconvenient. Fresh vegetables go bad too fast. Fresh meat is expensive. Meal prep can take forever. But here's something most people don't know. Research from the USDA shows that many canned foods contain the same nutrients as fresh foods, and sometimes even more, because they're canned at peak freshness. So canned does not mean cheap or low quality. It means smart. It means practical. It means real life. Alright. Let's get into the foods. Number 1, canned beans. Black beans, chickpeas, kidney beans, navy beans, whichever you like. These are one of the most affordable sources of high-quality protein and fiber you'll find anywhere. And fiber? Fiber keeps you full. Fuller meals equals fewer cravings. Fewer cravings equals less snacking and more steady energy. Picture this. You walk in the door, you're tired, and you don't want to cook. No problem. Open a can of chickpeas. Rinse. Add olive oil, lemon, salt, and garlic. Boom. 1 minute. Balanced meal. Black beans? Throw them into eggs, rice, soups, tacos, anything. Beans stretch your meals and improve your nutrition, no effort required. If there's one canned food to always keep around, make it beans. Number 2, canned salmon. Most of us don't get enough omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 support your brain, your heart, your mood, your joints, everything. But fresh salmon? Yeah, it can be pricey. Canned salmon gives you the same benefits for a fraction of the cost. Plus it usually includes tiny soft bones, which are packed with calcium. Don't worry, you don't even notice them. They just blend in. Try this. Mix canned salmon with Greek yogurt, mustard, salt, pepper, and chopped celery. Put it on whole grain toast. It's creamy, filling, and fuels your body the right way. This is one of the healthiest convenient foods in the grocery store. Period. Number 3, canned tomatoes. This one surprises people. Canned tomatoes are actually higher in a nutrient called lycopene than fresh tomatoes. Lycopene helps reduce inflammation and supports heart health. And canned tomatoes make healthy meals easier and faster. Toss into pasta with garlic. Add to beans and spices for chili. Mix into soup with vegetables. Cook with eggs for a quick shakshuka. 1 can. 1 pan. Full meal. Minimal effort. Number 4, canned pumpkin. Not pumpkin pie filling, just pure pumpkin. This is one of the most underrated items in the store. It's loaded with fiber, vitamin A, antioxidants, and it helps keep you full while supporting your immune system and digestion. Add it to oatmeal, smoothies, yogurt, chili, pasta sauces. It makes meals creamy, satisfying, and nourishing, without adding sugar or fat. Try stirring a spoonful into oatmeal with cinnamon. It tastes like dessert, but helps fuel your day. Now let's clear up a big myth. Myth: canned foods are always unhealthy. Reality: the issue is usually added salt or sugar, not the food itself. So here's what to look for. Low sodium. No salt added. Packed in water instead of syrup. No added sugar. And here's a trick. Rinse canned beans and vegetables. It can remove up to 40% of the sodium. Simple. Effective. No sacrifice. So let's wrap this up. If you want to eat healthy on a budget. If you want meals that don't spoil. If you want food that works even on your most exhausted days. Stock up on canned beans, for protein and fullness. Canned salmon, for brain and heart support. Canned tomatoes, for easy meal building. Canned pumpkin, for digestion and lasting energy. And remember, choose low sodium. Choose water-packed. Rinse when needed. Healthy eating doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to be realistic. You can do this. And you don't have to overhaul your life to start. Now I want to hear from you. What's the hardest part about eating healthy right now? Is it time? Is it cost? Is it cravings? Tell me in the comments. Your answer helps shape the next video. And if this helped you today, tap like, hit subscribe, turn on notifications. We're building a healthier, stronger, more confident you. And you are not doing it alone.